Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a plan in Microsoft Planner. This is useful when you need to remove outdated projects or declutter your workspace to keep everything organized and focused on current tasks. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Planner. Launch your browser and in the address bar type planner.cloud.microsoft, then hit enter. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Planner homepage. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll be prompted to log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Go ahead and enter your email and password to access your Planner workspace. Once you've successfully signed in and your Planner has fully loaded, you'll see your dashboard with all your available plans. Now, to locate the specific plan you want to delete, look over to the left navigation menu. Here you'll find several options for viewing your plans. Click on My Plan, and this will display a complete list of all the plans you're currently working on or have access to. This is where you can browse through your projects and identify which one needs to be removed. From the list that appears, click on the plan you wish to delete. This will open that specific plan and display all its associated tasks and details. Now, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where you'll see the plan's drop-down menu. Click on it and an expanded menu with additional options will appear. From these options, look for and click on Plan Details. A right side panel will slide out showing you detailed information about this particular plan. Scroll down to the bottom part of this right side panel. Here you'll see a link that says Delete this plan. This is the option that will permanently remove the plan from your workspace. Click on it and a confirmation window will pop up to ensure you really want to proceed with this action. You'll notice a checkbox that asks you to confirm that you understand this action is permanent. Click on the checkbox to acknowledge this. Then click on Delete to finalize the removal of your plan. And that's it. Your plan has been successfully deleted from Microsoft Planner, helping you maintain a cleaner, more organized workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.